Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to charge Nissan Leaf full guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging park with the vehicle off, then open the charging flap and inspect the connector for debris. Select the charger type you will use, either home level 1, level 2, or public fast charging, and confirm the connector matches. Ensure charging cables are routed safely and avoid tripping hazards during the session. Begin by choosing a location near your parking spot that allows the cable to reach the vehicle comfortably. Have a licensed electrician evaluate your electrical panel and install a dedicated circuit if needed to support level 2 charging. Register your charger with the manufacturer app for firmware updates and routinely inspect connections for wear or corrosion. Keep the area clear of flammable materials and teach household members basic charging safety steps. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future content. Quick recommendation here. I love these leak-proof containers for easy meal prep and tidy car snacks on long drives. They pair surprisingly well with charging breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick them up. Thanks for the support, and now, let's get back to the video. When using public chargers, approach slowly and align the vehicle to minimize cable tension, then power on the station per its instructions. Monitor charging status through the station or your vehicle display, and be ready to move when charging completes to be considerate of other drivers. Limit high-power, fast charging to trips or urgent needs to help preserve long-term battery health, and allow the battery to cool before repeated sessions for best practice and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.